Hey guys, today we're going to be fixing these neoprene gloves with some neoprene cement. So these are some 2mm surf gloves made of neoprene, and they're from Rip Curl, and as you can see they're splitting apart at the seams, which is kind of disappointing because these gloves started to do this just a few months after I bought them. So it's kind of disappointing, Rip Curl. But yeah, luckily this is very fixable unless it just continues to split at the seams and go down here, which we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for now, we can seal this up using this neoprene cement. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. Basically, we're going to apply some of this cement to both sides of this tear. So I got some on the brush here, and we're just going to go apply some on both sides of where we're going to be putting them together. So I got some there. Shit. Got some on my fingers. So we paint both sides of it, and we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes, it says. Pretty simple directions. Okay. Kind of got some all over the place, but that's okay. So gonna leave that there for 5 minutes. Okay, so we let that dry. It's been 5 minutes, and we're gonna put on one more coat to one of the layers, and then that's gonna have to wait 10 minutes, and then it's ready to stick together. And it says that it bonds instantly. Okay, and then now we let that dry for 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, and this is the side that I reapplied a coat to, and it says, the instructions say just press it tightly together and it will bond instantly. So it does feel like it's sticking. Okay. So it feels like it's bonded. Like I'm pulling on both of these sides here. And it seems like it's already, like it said, it's bonded. But that's pretty incredible. Just a few minutes have passed and I'm pulling on it from both sides and feels like it's sealed. Like there might be little tiny holes, but we'll open it up and look at the inside there. Okay, that's pretty insane. It's just been a few minutes, guys. So this was a massive hole. And it's completely sealed. That's amazing. Pretty awesome, guys. So I'm gonna go for surf and see how it holds up in the water. If this video helped you guys, please consider leaving a like. It really helps with the algorithm. And subscribe if you want more content about surfing and spearfishing. See you in the next one, guys.